Hello guys, welcome back to another video where today I'll be showing you how to make a website in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is go here and press create a design. Then if you don't see it here on this scroll down here, you want to search website, and this will give you a template for your own website. Then once I'm here, there's loads of little different templates on the side here. Bear in mind the ones with a little crown are for pro accounts, which you have to pay a monthly membership for, but the ones without a crown you're fine to use for free. So I'm going to be creating a website for a headset. So I'm going to press on this template here, which is perfectly made for this headset here, and I'm going to press apply all pages, which is going to help you customize your website to its full potential. Then once I'm here, there's lots of little different boxes you can press on, such as like buy now, the text, the images. You can all change this. So for example, I don't want it to be called Westmeyer because that's not my company name. So I'm gonna double click it and I'm gonna change it to Dan Dan Beats. And there you go. There it is. I can also change the little logo here, but I'm gonna leave it as that. I'm going to change to this, to the Dan Beats A56 headset, and I can change the color of these buttons and everything. I can delete this image. If you didn't want to delete it, you can go ahead to the top left here and press this little arrow here, and it's going to undo the actions you've just done. So say if you don't want everything to be basic, you can press on this here, on this page here, and you can press on this little color image at the top. This will change the the color background. So see this blue gradient here, this is what it's going to change. So I can change it to grey, red, whatever really, but I quite like the blue, so I'm going to keep it as that. Then I can scroll down. Here is describing the product, and then if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, here, this is the support page where you can put your details in so customers can contact you. You can leave these blank if you don't want them. So for my website, I don't really want them, so I'm just going to delete it there. So usually at the bottom of a website that is usually good, there is their contact email or their business email where people can write inquiries to, ask questions or complaints. So here we're just gonna write, and this is the email that people will write to us. So this is where people can find you, your offices. Currently I do not have an office, so I'm just gonna delete it. Usually there'll be lots more, so like such as social media, you can customize it all. For now I'm just gonna leave it as just the email like this. If I don't like a certain font or anything like that, I can always change it. So I can click on it, and if I highlight it, I can go up here to the top left and just change the fonts. So here there's recommended fonts, which are the fonts that are specifically designed to look good on the template that you have chosen. So I'm going to change it to this one, and there you go. It looks better in my opinion. You can also change the images on the website to suit your product or your website or your business, anything like that. I would change all these images here so they're not stock, so they're actually your product and you showcase what you're actually selling. That is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please comment down below, and see you next time.